This is my dog. She'll be 10 in September. She's been chasing these same birds for 10 years now. She's convinced that that one of those sparrows is Pegasus himself. There's no change in her freaking mind. I tried freaking telling her for years it's just a common sparrow. And it's not even the same one. This is perpetual. You know, they have babies and all, but she's been chasing back and forth for 10 years. Listen to what her bark sounds like. She goes. 10 years, September 11th, she'll be 10 years old. She's been chasing. She's convinced this is Pegasus. She barks. When she barks, she thinks this bird is Pegasus. She calls it Bin Laden. I call her Rupert. Popular Opinion American's her real name. 10 years back and forth. She's never caught one yet. No, it's a dog. It ain't a fox. She's a dog, not a fox. There's no convincing her. There's no talking her out of it. Rupert! Rupert! Come here, girl! Come here! Give it a rest. That's not Pegasus. I tried telling you. Give it a rest already. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's all right. Come here, girl.